this great idea to start something called school. We'll teach your kids all the information that they need to know to survive as adults. That sounds great. So what kind of things are you going to teach the kids in school? We'll start by teaching them math. Cool. So we'll learn how to manage our money as adults? No, we thought that we'd start by teaching about this magical number called pi. Okay, so what other life skills are you going to teach our kids? Well, we thought that we should also teach some politics. Great, so I can understand things like the tax code and how to vote to make a difference in my daily life? Well, what we have planned so far is, that story about George Washington cutting down the cherry tree. That's some good stuff. Hey, Mom, can you just sign us up for the How to Adult School? They actually teach life skills like personal finance. But pi is 3.14159. I don't remember the rest.